My homeowner's insurance claim was just denied. Hey guys, this is Steve Radolinski with the NM Home Deals team at Keller Williams Realty, and today I'd like to discuss the importance of making sure your home is properly insured. In the past couple of weeks, I've had a couple of calls from people either saying they were underinsured and or they were not properly insured, so they got an insurance claim denied. One of the biggest reasons right now that you should definitely call your insurance agency, check your insurance policy, go through everything, do a review, is because of the increase in property values over the last couple of years. So if you bought a home 2019 or prior, you might be going off of old values on your insurance policy. You want to make sure that, God forbid, in the event that something happened, the house burnt down, something like that, that you have enough coverage to cover that claim if there is one. Another thing you'll want to make sure of is that you have the right type of insurance. So I know a lot of my clients recently have decided not to sell their existing home and purchase a new home and use their previous property as a rental. That's perfectly well and good and an awesome way to create wealth. However, you do want to make sure your insurance company is aware of that change as well. If you have a regular homeowner's insurance policy as a primary residence, you'll want to make sure that you switch it over to a landlord's policy. The other thing beyond that is if you have a short-term rental property that you're renting out, you want to have short-term rental coverage as well. I'm not an insurance agent, but these are just some things that I've heard come up in the last few weeks, and I want to make sure that I keep my clients informed and on top of the changes out there. So another issue that we have come across over the past couple of years is insurance companies either putting extremely high deductibles on the roof coverage, or they have a set limit that they'll cover even if the entire roof needs to be replaced. I won't name names with specific insurance companies. Feel free to reach out to me if you'd like to discuss this further. But there are definitely particular companies out there that do this more than others. And unless you really read your insurance policy, which most of us don't, you're not going to catch this. So you definitely want to at least take a look at those major bullet points, things like how much your property is insured for, the type of coverage, the roof coverage, all those major things that are going to make a huge impact in the unlikely event that you have to make an insurance claim. Hopefully you never have to, but in case you do, you want to make sure you're properly insured. This is Steve Radolinski with the NM Home Deals team at Keller Williams Realty. Thank you so much for listening. I look forward to speaking with you and doing some business in the future. Have a great day.